for the English-speaking friends and students. Though this it appears very new to you, right, and very so strange and not familiar with it, right?
呢個係好新鮮同埋好strange 係好陌生，對你哋嚟講，
好似好遠咁。
好似好遠咁。
Did you find it? Because of the language, right?
因為嗰個言語嘅問題，你哋會覺得會係咁啦。
So there was a barrier.
所以有少少障礙啦。
Actually, there shouldn't be a barrier.
其實就唔應該有任何障礙。
Where did the barrier come from?
嗰啲障礙喺邊度嚟嘅咧
？Come from our heart, our mind heart.
係由我哋個心，由我哋個 mind 思想。
Because we have a concept that this is a Chinese language, and this is an English language, and this is French.
因為我哋有一個概念，呢個係中文嘅，或者係英文嘅，或者係法文嘅。
So when you are hearing something that's different from your own language, you say that I won't understand.
當你聽到一啲唔係你自己嘅言語嘅時候，你就會覺得唔明白啦。
You know, this understanding not just come from the language.
我哋去明白嗰啲語言唔係，我要明白嗰件唔係因為個語言嘅。
Understanding come from the feeling.
我哋係由我哋個感覺去明白佢。
Even though you don't understand what's going on, but you feel if you feel through your ears.
就算你唔明白嘅時候，你可以由你嘅耳朵去感覺到。
You can feel through your skin, your body.
你可以感覺由你嘅皮膚，由你個身體嗰度。
You can feel through your nose, the smell, the fragrance here.
你可以由你個鼻去聞到嗰啲香味啊，
And sometimes it doesn't happen here this morning. You can feel through the taste.
有陣時我哋會聞到有啲味道，但係今日就冇啦。嘗
taste
用我哋嘅舌頭嘗到嗰啲味道，但係我哋今日冇。
So the understanding actually, if we could open up our heart, our mind heart.
去明白呢啲。
If we could open up our mind heart.
如果我哋可以打開我哋個心去明白。
To actually accept that this is something not in my box.
我哋要去接受有啲嘢唔係。
To understand that this is something not in my box.
我哋要明白有啲嘢唔係喺我哋個框框、我哋個盒子裡面嘅框框。
And it's okay.
係可以嘅，我哋。
And when you can open up.
當你可以打開呢個箱嘅時候咧
，It's very strange.
好神奇嘅。
You feel so much.
你會感覺到好多好多。
Just by being with us, just by being here.
只係同我哋一齊同在，同埋喺呢一個地方。
And just by feeling the energy around here.
我哋去感覺下呢度嘅磁場喺呢一度地方。
Then you have actually fully participate in a ceremony.
咁你就可以完全投入喺呢個法會裡面。
你就已經啦。
你就已經係完全投入喺呢個法會裡面。
So that's what actually the Buddha taught.
呢個就係佛陀教我哋嘅。
Everything is from this heart mind.
所有嘅嘢都係由我哋嘅心嗰度出。
The concepts come from the heart mind.
嗰個概念係其實都係由我哋嘅心，由我哋。
The limitation comes from the heart mind.
我哋有啲限制，亦都係由我哋嘅心，由我哋嘅思想嗰度。
But infinity also come from this heart mind.
但係無限都係由我哋嘅心啊嘛。
So it's really up to us how to work with this heart mind.
係真係俾我哋全靠我哋嘅心，我哋想點樣去諗嘅啫。
So that's the practice.
呢個係一個練習。
So you can offer to the devas at home.
我哋都可以喺屋企去供諸天喎。
You don't have to be so glamorous.
我哋唔使。
You don't have to do it so glamorously.
我哋唔需要咁裝潢啊。
You just if you can do it, just sit there and your heart, I tell you, you are 200% with your heart before you can do this.
如果
唔係100%，係200%。
我哋喺屋企咧係200%可以做到嘅。
唔係，係200%，你要同個心在，你先做得到。
要200%同個心在，我哋就可以做到啦。
At that time, your mind doesn't have any judgment, no impurity, no discrimination, no expectation. Sorry, it's a little bit long, I know. 喺嗰個時候咧，喺嗰個時候。我哋嘅心裏面咧就唔會有限制，又唔會有啲咩期望，唔會有分別、批判。Very good. When you can do it with such a mind， 當你用呢個心態嚟去做嗰件事嘅時候 ，your thought is already the best offering。你嘅思想已經係一個好好嘅供養。唔係思想啊，係個念啊。嗰個念頭。Yeah, your thought right there, right there. You are offering to all beings, including the Devas, including all the Bodhisattva, Buddha, everybody, including your friends. Everybody it encompasses the whole universe. 喺嗰個時候，你個念頭就已經係供養所有諸天菩薩、所有佛菩薩，所有你嘅屋企人、朋友，同埋呢個宇宙嘅一切。所有一切，盡虛空遍法界。That's why in this prayer here it says， 當我讀住呢一個疏抄嘅時候 ，it says 心包大去 ，our mind encompasses the whole universe, including this earth, including all the galaxies, the whole cosmic world。心包太虛咧，話完全係太虛就係個虛空有幾大就幾大。個宇宙有幾大就已經可以全部可以cover 晒。差唔多。量周沙界，包含晒。量周沙界全部包含晒。So the quantity says 量周 that means the quantity is just like sand, infinite sand to cover all lands. 量周沙界即係嗰啲沙咧係多到可以全部。係地都冚住晒。係地嘅都全部可以蓋住晒。Can you imagine the power of the mind？ 你可唔可以想像下嗰個思想個念嘅力量啊 ？So we are every one of you have this power。我哋每個人都有呢個能量，有呢個力量。But it depends on where you put it。而且只係睇下你幾時去用呢個力量。No。It depends on where you put it。呢係你想擺喺邊一度去用佢。It's very sad。好可惜，好唔開心。好遺憾。Nowadays。喺現今世界 ，people put their heart mind into anger。好多人呢個世界將佢哋嘅念咧擺喺一個好憤怒。Revenge。報復 and fulfilling their desires， 去滿足佢哋嘅慾望 and through fulfilling their desires they bring a lot of harm and hurt to others。 為咗要滿足呢個慾望，去報復呢個慾望，佢哋做咗好多傷害對呢個好多人。I wish all of you here today， 我希望今日大家喺呢一度。Because of your good karma in the past， 因為大家有好好嘅業報喺以前帶落嚟。So you are here today with us。所以你今日可以同我哋一齊。Even though you don't understand, some of you don't understand the whole context of the offering。雖然大家唔係好明白我哋今日呢個供齋會裏面有啲內容唔係好明白，雖然。But because of what I am sharing with you now， 但係今日我同你哋分享而家呢個喺呢個時候 I wish that you take away the good seeds that you have taken today.
我希望大家今日可以取得到一啲好嘅種子，拎翻屋企。
我希望你哋今日攞到嘅好種子陪伴住你哋。
哦，希望好嘅種子陪伴你哋。
Take the seeds home and allow the seeds to actually look after those seeds.
我哋帶呢啲好種子翻屋企，同埋要好好咁樣照顧佢。
And allow these seeds to actually to sprout.
我哋希望先將呢啲好嘅種子去將佢發芽。
And they will come to bear fruits. 佢哋會結果。
哦，咁呢啲種子就會開花結果。
Don't underestimate the sprouting of a seed, the power of sprouting that seed.
我哋唔好低估呢啲發咗芽嘅好嘅種子。
When they start to sprout,
當佢哋開始發芽嘅時候
you are already bringing into the world, into the family, into the society.
我哋呢啲好嘅種子已經將佢帶咗入去呢個世界，呢個家庭同埋呢個社會。
And that good energy will help you, will help the family, will help the society.
而呢啲好嘅種子會變咗一個好嘅能量，去幫助我哋呢個社會、呢個家庭。
And you become a role model. You become a good person. You become a role model for others.
咁你就做一個好嘅榜樣俾別人睇到。
And because you are a better person, people look at you and say, "Oh, wow, I would like to be like her or like him."
因為你做嘅好嘅榜樣，人哋睇到亦都好羨慕，好想好似你咁樣樣。
So that's how we spread.
咁呢個就係我哋要去散播嘅。
Our strengths, our positive strengths from the heart mind.
去散播我哋呢啲正面嘅正能量。
So don't be limited by the box.
我哋唔好俾我哋自己個框框限死咗。
Go out.
我哋要走出個框框嗰度。
It's like the year of the dog.
好似今年呢個狗年咁樣。
Dog goes whoa whoa whoa.
啲狗咧就會wow wow wow。
I said go go go.
師傅話 go go go， 咁即係去啊去啊去。
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So I wish everybody, on behalf of Sangha, I wish everybody to have a prosperous, healthy, and peaceful 2018, the year of the dog.
師傅希望大家今年9年裏面咧就係
healthy，
健康快樂同埋自在。
Okay. And look after your seed.
仲要照顧好你個種子。
Okay. And all the best. And thank you to all the sifus.
多謝咁多位師傅。